Introducing Krishi Drishti, an AI crop doctor built for Indian farmers. Powered by Gemma 4, running entirely on your local machine. No cloud. No internet required. Just take a photo of your crop and get a diagnosis instantly. Every year, crop diseases cost Indian farmers billions of rupees in losses. Most farmers in rural areas have no access to an agricultural expert. By the time a disease is identified, it has already spread. Krishi Drishti solves this problem with AI. This is the Krishi Drishti dashboard. It runs at localhost on port 7878. The interface is clean and simple, designed for anyone to use. At the top, you can see the Gemma 4 connection status showing the model is live and ready. To diagnose a crop, simply drag and drop a photo onto the upload area, or click to browse. The farmer can also type a description of the problem in Hindi or English. Here we select a photo of a wheat crop showing unusual brown spots. Once you click Analyze, the image is sent to Gemma 4 running locally via Llama server. You can see the live timer counting the inference time. In balanced mode, this takes about 30 seconds on a 4 GB GPU. The diagnosis is complete. Gemma 4 has identified wheat leaf rust, caused by the fungus Puccinia triticina. The severity is moderate, with 35% of the leaf area affected. Urgency is marked high, meaning the farmer needs to act quickly. The Treatment tab gives specific, actionable advice. In English, apply propiconazole 25% at 0.1% concentration, available at any Krishi Kendra. And right below, the exact same advice in Hindi, so any farmer can understand and follow it. The Symptoms tab lists every visible sign Gemma 4 detected in the photo: orange-brown pustules, yellowing of leaf tissue, and powdery coating. All listed in both English and Hindi for easy communication with local agricultural workers. Prevention advice for the next season is also included. Use rust-resistant wheat varieties, ensure proper crop spacing, and avoid excessive nitrogen fertilizer. All advice is specific to conditions faced by Indian farmers. Every diagnosis is saved automatically to a local SQLite database. The history panel shows past scans with crop name, disease detected, and severity. Farmers can track their field health over time, completely offline. For developers and field workers using tablets or custom apps, Krishi Drishti also exposes a full REST API. You can call the diagnose endpoint programmatically, integrate with existing agriculture management systems, or build mobile apps on top of it. Krishi Drishti, built for the GenAI for Good track at the Gemma 4 Hackathon in Prayagraj. Gemma 4 Vision runs 100% locally. No data ever leaves the farmer's device. Fast, private, and built for Bharat. Thank you.